song is called Whatchamacallit by MAI. Was that? LMA and Chris Brown. So let's start. So it goes like this. You're gonna lean your weight to your left. One, then change the weight to your right. Clap. So make sure your left is on the top. Okay, let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, and lean to your left. 1, 2, then jump. 3, open, and raise your right knee. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, jump. 3, and 4. Okay, after this, you're gonna straighten your right knee to the front. 5, straight your right knee to the side, and alright, from here, push your right. Then point to your right and chest pop. So make sure your right knee is facing your right. Don't face to your front. Like that. Okay? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, very slow. 7, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Point to your right. 7, chest, and 8. Yes, chest and 8. Okay, next. So after you twist here, you're gonna cross your legs going to the front. So cross, then brush your hair like that. Let's try 5, 6, 7, and brush. So you need to go to your left. One more time. First time. 6, 7, and 1. Up. 2. Cross. 3. Yes, one more time. 6, 7, and 8. So 1, up and tap. From here, you're gonna glide your legs, your right going to your left. So it goes like this. First, change your weight, put it to your left. So you're gonna go left, then glide, drag it, and close. Again, so up and down, glide, up your right knee, your left knee, and cross down. Yes, let's try again from here. 5, 6, 7, and 8, cross. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy? 6, then you're gonna go open, set, bend, cup, and 8. So just like boom, tap, tap. Yes, one more time. Let's do it from here. Let's pick up. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, drag go 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, don't lean too much over. You just use your shoulder. Just shoulder, shoulder. Alright, this is like the exercise. Yes, like that. So you just focus on right and left. Okay, let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. The brush. 1, 2, and 3. Glide. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's pick up from the beginning. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, jump. 3, 4. Push and up. 7. Here we go. 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Okay, we're gonna go 7 and 8. It's very fast. So from here, you're gonna push your hand to the side, very, very slow. Make a circle. Your body gonna go 1. So the moment you hit your right, you're gonna nod your head like boom, 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 and 4. Then reach. All right. You know what I call this one? I called it great. Get the banana. Get the banana. Oh, I can reach. Get again. There you go. Yes. Okay, let's pick up from 7, 8. Then push, 2, 3, 4. Catch banana and chara. So it's like up. Okay, then you're gonna go hit to the front. Hit. Yes. So yo, 7, and then boom. You just swing. You don't need to nod your head. 7, and just swing. Alright, let's try again. Can we pick up from the beginning? Let's try, alright? Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, and slowly 4, 5, and 6, 7, chest, 1, 2, and 3, drop, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, boom, 2, 3, 4, banana, hook, and boom, hit. Okay? We're gonna do a 1-8, 8 counts freestyle on your own. Alright? Let's do it. 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Make sure on 7 and 8, close your feet. Alright, from this one, you're gonna go and 1. And 1. This is not 1. It's supposed to be 1 close. So let's try 5, 6 and 7, 8, open and 1 and 2, jump and 3, then and 4, punch. One more time, let's do it very slow. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, up 3, chest, 4. Roger that? So after this, you're gonna step back 5, 6, 7, and then 5, 6. Then you just snap to the back. We'll change to the front. And 7, copy and 8, 7, and you're gonna go 7 and 8. Then just hips, bounce and hit, bounce, hit, bounce and hit, bounce. Yes. Good. Let's try again. So from here, 7 and 8, freestyle, 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, snap on 7, 8. Drop your hips and hips and hips. Very good. Alright, next. So we end up on this on 5, 6, and 7, 8. You gotta close your feet all together, facing to your left. You gotta hit your shoulder, right shoulder. 1, back. On the second one, you gotta raise your knee. 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Do it 4 times. Then you can add spice on it. Alright, 6, 7 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Boom and half, hit and half. So from here, you're gonna step to right, back. Touch your left shoulder. Down, touch again, and down. Let's try 5, 6. So from here, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then swing, 2, and 3, 4. Then you walk front. And 5, 6. Watch carefully. 6. You're gonna jump in. 7. Your weight still on your right. Then change to your left. Boom. And that's it. That's it for today. Okay? Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, hit, 2, pull. You can do, and it came, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, then 8. And this is just extra. Okay, let's try from the beginning. All of it. Okay, slowly. 7 and 8. 1, 2, jump. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, chest. 1, 2 and 3, glide. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Slow it down. 2, 3, close on 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Freestyle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and punch. Back. 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close. Alright, forget to tell you this. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4 and boom. 6, 7, string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step your right 5, 6 and 7, 8. Wait. Peace. Yo. Good job. I love you. Yeah! Well, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. We have so many videos and choreography tips for all of you. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, we're gonna put the whole video with the music, original music on the description below. So please watch it and subscribe. Yo! Bye bye! 감사합니다.